Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel OS Stitches. In today's video I'll be showing you how to cut and sew a basic sleeve. This tutorial is perfect for beginners who want to understand sleeve drafting and who desire a neat and professional finish. So get your fabric or brown paper, measuring tape, scissors, and let's dive right into it. So first off, I'll start by marking my border line. This manner, and that border line, I will take the sleeve bicep of 4. You can either use 5 inches or 4 inches, a standard measurement, but for this tutorial I'll be making use of 4 inches. And I'll go ahead and take the elbow measurement of 13. But if you're cutting a short sleeve, you can stop at this point, whichever length you want to stop. For me, for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be making a long sleeve, and this the length is 21. So that is it. And I'll go right now, also do the same at this point. Mark the 4, 13, and 21. That will connect the points. So I'll take the armhole depth of 8 inches. I'll mark it here. Now get the midpoint here. The midpoint is 4 inches. I will do the same here too. I'll mark the 4 inches too, and I'll connect these 2 points. We get the midpoint from here to the 4, which is 2 inches, and I will mark it. Get my tape, get my pattern master, and I'll connect this way. Sorry. Yeah. At this point, I'll come out by ½ inch, okay, like this, because this is the front part. So let me mark F here, front, and this part now will be for the back part. So this is B, back. Then I'll go ahead and impute the round elbow measurement of 6, because the round bow measurement is 12 divided by 2, 6, and the round wrist measurement of 5. The round wrist measurement is 10 divided by 2, 5, and I'll connect. So this is it. I'll go ahead now and cut out this pattern. When cutting everything together, cut out the back part first, like this. Take this part out, open it up like this. Then you can now go ahead and cut out the front part. So now this is what it looks like. Look at it. So this is the back and this is front. Thank you so much for watching today's tutorial. I hope you learned something new and feel confident making your own basic sleeve. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe to OS Stitches for more sewing tutorials every week. See you in the next video. Happy sewing. Bye.